And a Senate committee trying to find solutions met today to discuss mental health and how we can protect Texans in the future.
Yeah, William Joy's been listening to that hearing and joins us with an update from our newsroom.
Chris and Cynthia, today's hearing wasn't focused on what happened in Uvalde, but instead on how to prevent it. For 8 hours, the special Senate committee listened to testimony today. It started with 7 witnesses speaking on mental health. They shared that 1,600 people in Uvalde, or about 10% of the city, has received mental health services since the attack. The takeaway is that mental health is understaffed by roughly 1,000 psychiatrists in the state, and that preventing the Uvalde shooter and people like him, to quote one witness, is like finding a needle in a haystack. Even expanded school programs may not have helped because he wasn't attending.
If we don't have the workforce there to provide the counseling services to our kids in the schools, we're not going to be able to identify issues early, provide them the counseling they need, the services that they need.
The very last topic covered by the committee after 2 full days has probably been the most discussed since the shooting deaths of 19 students and 2 teachers, and that's gun control. The witnesses for Sandy Hook Promise and Texas Gun Sense asked to raise the age of those who can purchase a gun to 21 and for extreme risk laws that allow courts to take weapons away from owners considered to be an imminent threat. They also recommended better laws around storage.
And the answer comes in the form of prevention, not reaction. Background checks on private transfers may have prevented Midland, Odessa. Extreme risk protection orders may have averted El Paso. Child access prevention laws may have prevented Santa Fe.
17 people spoke in public testimony that just wrapped up a little bit ago and ended the special committee's work. The legislature isn't in session right now. Many lawmakers have pushed for the governor to call a special session. Yesterday, big city mayors, including Dallas, Arlington, and Fort Worth, joined that call. We'll have to see what happens next. In the newsroom, I'm William Joy.